Welcome. In this video, we're diving into how to make money in 2026 and real ways people are earning online right now. Stop scrolling. If you don't learn how to make money in 2026, you will struggle. Today, I'll show you real ways people are earning online, even without a degree. First, let's understand why 2026 is different from previous years when it comes to earning potential. In 2026, money is no longer just about traditional jobs. It's about leveraging your skills, the internet, and the power of AI. You can now earn from your laptop, from your phone, or even from the comfort of your bedroom. The world is your office. Now, let's get into the top 5 ways people are making serious money in 2026. Number 1 is freelancing. Sell your skills like video editing, graphic design, or writing. Foreign clients often pay in dollars, and one client can sometimes pay more than a full-time job salary. Next, AI services. Businesses need AI but don't know how to implement it. You can provide services like AI video editing, AI chatbots, and AI automation. This is one of the fastest growing income streams in 2026. Third, YouTube and content creation. YouTube pays you for views, and you can earn from ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, or selling your own products. You don't need an expensive camera. Your phone is enough to get started. Number 4 is selling digital products. You can create LUTs, presets, ebooks, courses, or templates. Create once, sell unlimited times. This is the definition of passive income. Finally, focus on high-paying tech skills like web development, data science, cybersecurity, and AI engineering. These skills will pay serious money in the future, so start learning now. The biggest mistake people make is watching videos but not taking action. Knowledge without action equals zero income, so choose a path and start today. Remember this simple formula for success in 2026. Skill plus AI plus internet equals income. I hope you found these ways to make money in 2026 helpful and inspiring. If you want a step-by-step plan to start earning in 2026, comment "plan" below this video. Like this video and subscribe for more money and tech videos. See you in the next one.